Hi friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Sia, and I hope you people are doing great and learning this language gratefully. And in this video, I am going to talking about while learning this language, you also feel hesitated. So without further delay, let's get start the video. So friend, when we start our English journey, so we feel hesitated because we start a new thing in our life. Uh, Lots of people while speak this language they are not speak uh, good English, and they feel like we are not able to speak. But what is the problem? The problem is they are not practice, and then their speaking uh, journey is not continue. So that's why they are not speak to English, and they are not able to speak fluently English. So then they are not fluent in this English journey, and they think that we are fluent, and we are able to speak this language, and then we start their speak journey, but they are not speak correct. So if someone tell that you doing mistake there, and you can correct this sentence, so then again we start speaking. So we feel hesitated if we speak in front of someone. So what someone think, and if I'm doing mistake, so people laugh at me. Second thing is when someone introvert person. So this is that is the if you someone introvert person, so they are doing they are not speak so much, and they are not interested to interact with people, and that's why they feel hesitate to speak this language. So if we not do practice in every day, so this kind of thing happen in our life. So what are we do? We can practice in daily basis. Okay, if you do fluent, and if you speak in front of people, so you can change your habit. If you not change your habit, so there is no benefit to learn this language. If you not speak, and you feel that I am introvert person, and while speak this language I feel hesitated, so it is not a cup of tea for me, so that's why I'm not speak in front of people. So why are you learn this language? If you think like this, first you can change yourself. Okay, if you feel hesitated, so there is no benefit to learn this language. So if you uh, if you fluent in this language, and you go somewhere, and you know English very well, but if you not speak this language, so what is the benefit? There is no benefit, and people know about you, what time you spend their language, and what is the struggle you face in this language to learn this. So uh, uh, how to solve this problem? You can do practice daily basis. Okay, whatever time you have, you can practice in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, and speak loudly. Okay, if you speak loudly, so if your mouth also habitual to speak this language. Okay, so speak in front of camera, in front of mirror, and if you have environment, so you can speak with them. If you have uh, if anyone around you they speak in English, you can speak with them. And when you speak with them, so slowly your hesitation is gone. We are not to learn anything when we born, so we can everything we learn. We not have get already. Okay, so if you try to this, so you can get overcome your fear and your hesitation. First, you can speak and you can do meditation. Okay, it is very helpful for you. If you do meditation, so you can focus whatever you learn. So you can focus there, and you remember uh, all kind of thing in long term. Okay, so you can learn this type of. If you learn this type of, so there is beneficial for you. Okay, so don't think that I'm not speak English and I'm not able to speak English in front of people. Whatever you think you can do, so you can think like positive. If you think positive, so your hesitation gone automatically. And don't think about people when we speak what people think. It is your journey. You can easy your journey, not people. If you think that my journey is difficult, so your journey is difficult. If you think that my journey is easy and I'm give my 100% on my journey, and I can do practice every day, whatever happens. Okay, so you can practice this type. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, bye bye, take care.